अगर आप अपना उज्जवल भविष्य बनाना चाहते हैं तो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग के लिए आप आज ही आइए, कल पर मत डालिए। हमारा पता है
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश, फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे।
Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. I want to say thanks Global Spoken English for giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. I am Sadia, I hail from Hosi. I am learning speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Republic Day. Before starting my speech, I want to say some line in Hindi. न सरकार मेरी है, न रौब मेरा है, न बड़ा सा नाम मेरा है। मुझे तो बस एक बात का गर्व है, मैं हिंदुस्तान हूँ और ये हिंदुस्तान मेरा है। Who is Allama Fazl Khairabadi? If asked what is the one most misunderstood word of this century, it will certainly be jihad. Dare I give any justification? The stand of Fazl Haq should be lot more helpful in but understanding that exactly it refers to. Fazl Khairabadi was born at 20 August 1797. He was one of the main figures of the Indian Rebellion in 1857. He was the professor and author, poet and religious scholar, but is most remembered for issuing a fatwa in favor of jihad against English in 1857. Fazl Khairabadi was on dead 12 February 1857, 61, child Andaman, Iceland. I want to say some heart-touching lines in Hindi. जब लहजे से गुफ्तगू गजल होती है, ये नायाब मुल्क है, इसकी मोहब्बत भी बड़ी तकदीरों से नसीब होती है. I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all wonderful people. Thank you for listening to me with a great patience. Thank you so much and have a good day.